I have a pen, I have a book. You have a chair, you have a hook. We have a house, we have a yard. They have a car, they have a card. When it's I, you, we, or they, always have is what you say. Have, stomp, stomp, has stomp. Have, stomp, stomp, has stomp. One person has stomp, stomp. More than one have stomp, stomp. He has a bike, he has a hat. She has a cat, she has a mat. It has a tail, it has a nose. My dad has clothes, my mom has toes. One name, one person, that's the case. Always has goes in that place. My sister has a big new phone. Her husband has a job in Rome. They have 2 kids, they have a tree. I have a farm, just wait and see. My wife has work from 9 to 3. We have 1 son and dogs for free. Have, stomp, stomp, has stomp. Have, stomp, stomp, has stomp. One person has stomp, stomp. More than one have stomp, stomp. I have, you have, we have, they have. He has, she has, it has, Ollie has. Don't forget, don't be slow. Has for 1 and have for more. Now sing it loud, now sing it clear. Has and have, you have no fear.